Alright, here we go. This is the second coat on top of the floor. You know, the stains are still there, but, you know, it gives the house character. Looks like moisture came in this window before, or they either had a pet and they were, you know, using the bathroom in the same spot. Anyway, so here you go. You guys saw what it looked like before. Now this is what it looks like after. This is just a natural finish. Coming through here. Hallway. Lights, yeah, that works. Yeah. There you go. All you gotta do is buff it and then put the last coat on top. I'm out of here. So it turned out great. Alright, so that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.